Actually, there's one more, I think, factor which actually stops people, because like we talked about fear in the first talk that we had, the question we asked you. Now, another thing I feel is many a time, a lot of people, they do a lot of overthinking. It happens with me also. When I started, I was always saying, "Oh, what if this happens? What if I do this? What if I start my video and I forget my content?" And that actually hindered me from taking an action. So how do I stop doing the so-called overthinking and actually start taking my actions?
See, taking action gives you like already an edge among like 90% people out there. A lot of people just think about that. I have to record the video, I have to go. But you have already taken the first step. You are already a winner. Only thing is you must not give up. See, there will be always people out there telling, it doesn't matter who the person is, like Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, or like Nelson Mandela. Like everyone, there will be like people who love them, at the same time hate them as well.
True.
You just have to see the other part of the world and the people who love you and like you. Start building trust relationship with them and start going forward. Like example, there was a donkey in a place. Once upon a time in a village, there was a donkey. Like two people were sitting on the donkey and they were going on the desert. And people said, what kind of father and son he is, like in this hot sun, like these both are sitting on the donkey and they're going. And the second example was like both were walking, only the donkey was like walking, and all the three were walking. And there was second set of crowd of people who said, what kind of foolish people they are, like the donkey is also walking, even these both are walking.
Yes,
right?
I recall in school we were taught this to the same, where it was talked about laziness, foolishness.
Yes,
That's very
and
true.
there were like third set of people, like next thing what they did is like, why should donkey walk, let's lift the donkey and go. And they were lifting the donkey and going. People were making fun. Who are these idiots? Donkey is meant to, like, you have to sit on the donkey and you have to carry the load and go. And this is how, like, there will be always people. I'll tell you with one more good example so that you understand much better. Like, there was this small elephant. Like, the elephant was tied with a chain so that the elephant can't escape. Like, there was no cage, nothing. But after the elephant had grown up, it had become so big. In fact, it can break like 100 chains like that. But in fact, the elephant had the belief that when it was small, it tried to escape from the chain like multiple times. It couldn't escape. And the same intention and the same mind set it was having. It was overthinking, because when it was a small, it couldn't escape. Now it's thinking the same thing. And it's all about, you just have to change the beliefs and stop overthinking and just be going forward.
Great. And do you think that confidence and such kind of thing also plays a role in taking the action?
Yes, see, absolutely. Anything, if you want to do new, right, like you just need like confidence and courage. Without courage, nothing in the world has happened. In fact, when I saw like so many interviews, so many successful people, the only difference between others and the people who are not doing anything is like courage. Courage gives you an edge. Like when you are courageous, like when you go daring, like everything happens. Like as life, like even Tony Robbins tells, like you don't get like what you desire, you get what you're worth. Like it's all just going about and starting.
And this really actually brought me also. I still recall, when I wanted to start YouTube and I wanted to start putting content on Facebook, stuff like that. I found there were some people who actually didn't know, when they were talking. They were pretty pathetic, I would say. But then they were there, and that's when I felt, wow, kya confidence. I mean, that gave me that kind of stuff. Like, this is what you really need, And I really appreciated them for that confidence that they had. Great, that's really wonderful. Like I said, another thing is, this is again, I would relate to myself, and that's why I'm asking you this question is, and I'm sure a lot of people have the same. Even analyzing, when I started with, like people said, do some research, see what topic you need to, and I started looking and I said, this person is also talking on this topic, this person is talking on this topic, the number of people viewing it. So, does that also not actually hinder you taking an action? Because that happened with me initially.
See, the most important thing is not comparing your chapter 1 to directly to a chapter 15 of somebody else.
Okay.
like everybody has to go through a process. Like the baby never ran after he was born.
Absolutely.
Like first 6 months, 5 months he was with his mom drinking milk,
Yes.
and slowly he started
Growing
eating.
up and taking
Yeah,
baby steps.
and
Yes.
then finally he went to
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 working.
college, all those things. First he went to school, higher school, like college,
True.
graduation, then everything goes. In the same, like you just have to analyze, just take one step at a time.
Mhm.
Even if you try to take multiple steps, you may fall back, like it will be like severely, like you'll injure. And make sure that you follow a framework instead of over analyzing. What if I do something else can
Okay.
happen? Like always, if you don't do anything, if you just be thinking what's going to
Sure.
happen, life is going to blow like tremendous blows at you, and even you
Okay.
can't even think. And that's
True.
what even I was thinking. Like, is there any astrologer who will tell you exactly what all things happens? It will create like more panic and fear.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because yes, I mean, I believe like we still have a lot of people who, you know, I mean, we talk about some celebrities, especially in the industry I've seen, and we've heard about them. They've gone to this particular astrologer. He has told you do this, do that, and they wait for the right time. You know, so. Do I really need to, you know, and what is that right time? Can you talk about it? You know, when do I feel that today I'm ready for it and now I should take action? So is it necessary I have to wait for a right time or something?
As the old African proverb goes, when was the best time to plant a tree was like 20 years back, and the next best time is right now. Now is the moment, right? Like, see, every day we are born like a newborn baby. Like every day is like a birthday. Some people tell today is my birthday. It's nothing like that. Every day, like you have to be grateful, and like you just have to take imperfect action. Like you while you sleep, right? Like you have to have a sound sleep. I have achieved something today. Think as if like every day is like so important, because death is coming to us like every day. Like the death is very near to us. Always imagine this is the best encounter thing I have
Today's
ever
the last
seen in the
day.
life.
Like they say, live life like today is the last day, and you never know whether you're going to have tomorrow or not. Great.
And no one can guarantee us like tomorrow whether we are going to
Yes,
stay or
it's
not.
never true that, I mean, whether tomorrow we're going to see the life or not. That's very true. Great, that was really wonderful, and those tips that you gave about how I can stop doing the road, and I'm going to take more and stronger actions to get into my action plan and achieve my goals which I have decided. Thank you
That's
so
amazing.
much. Thank you so much, Akshay.